Once we have our two wireless stats paired with our receiver, we need to go in and edit some settings. Press the menu button once here on the bottom left. Scroll across to initial settings. In initial settings, scroll all the way down until we find room sensor settings. Firstly, we need to activate our room RC zone select to tell which zone is controlling which. So zone 1 will be room RC1, but we need to go down to room RC2 and flick this across until we see zone 2 highlighted. So room RC1 highlighted for zone 1, room RC2 is highlighted for zone 2. Once that is confirmed, press the anti-clockwise button once. And now go down to sensor settings. Into sensor settings, zone 1, sensor settings again, click. And we need to highlight this. It will be standard as TH1. We need to highlight this to room RC1 and confirm that. So zone 1 is now being controlled by our wireless Mitsubishi room stat number 1. We do the same, click the back arrow until we get to zone 2, zone 1, zone 2. Press the down button to access zone 2. Again, sensor settings, TH1 needs to be changed to room RC1.